For decades, flying cars have lived in the realm of science fiction, tantalizing us with the dream of soaring above traffic jams and congested roads. These visions have been depicted in countless movies, books, and TV shows, capturing our imagination and fueling our desire for a future where the skies are open to everyone. Now that dream is becoming a reality. Advances in technology and engineering have brought us to the brink of a new era in transportation. Russia has entered the race to the skies with the IF-9, its first foray into the world of flying automobiles. This ambitious project marks a significant milestone in the global pursuit of airborne personal transport. This sleek and innovative vehicle promises to revolutionize transportation as we know it. With its advanced design and cutting-edge features, the IF-9 is set to change the way we think about travel. The IF-9 is not just a car with wings bolted on, it's a sophisticated machine that blends cutting-edge aerospace technology with automotive design. Every aspect of the IF-9 has been meticulously engineered to ensure safety, efficiency, and performance. Imagine a world where commuting involves a quick takeoff and a smooth flight to your destination, bypassing the frustrations of gridlock and traffic lights. The IF-9 makes this vision a tangible possibility. The IF-9 offers a glimpse into this exciting future. It represents a bold step forward in the evolution of personal transportation. As we delve deeper into the IF-9's features, capabilities, and the vision behind its creation, we'll uncover the transformative potential of flying cars and their impact on our lives. This vehicle is more than just a mode of transport, it's a harbinger of a new age. The IF-9 is not just a technological marvel, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. It stands as a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream and push the boundaries of what's possible. The IF-9 boasts a futuristic design that sets it apart from traditional vehicles. Its sleek aerodynamic body is crafted for both style and efficiency, allowing it to seamlessly transition from road to air. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodates 2 passengers, offering panoramic views of the world below. One of the IF-9's standout features is its hybrid engine system, combining the power of electricity for sustainable flight with a conventional engine for ground transportation. This innovative approach ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency, making it an environmentally conscious choice for future commuters. The IF-9 also prioritizes safety, incorporating advanced collision avoidance systems, redundant flight controls, and a parachute deployment system for emergencies. These features provide peace of mind to passengers, ensuring a secure and enjoyable flying experience. The IF-9 is a testament to Russian engineering prowess, leveraging cutting-edge technology to achieve vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Its powerful electric motors drive a series of rotors strategically positioned along the vehicle's wings, enabling it to lift off and land vertically, eliminating the need for runways. To develop this groundbreaking vehicle, Russian engineers collaborated with leading aerospace firms, incorporating advanced lightweight materials and innovative flight control systems. The IF-9's hybrid engine system represents a significant leap forward in sustainable aviation, reducing emissions and paving the way for a greener future of transportation. The IF-9's intuitive control system makes it accessible even to those without prior flight experience. Its advanced autopilot features assist with navigation and flight stabilization, simplifying the flying experience and making it as effortless as driving a car. The world watched with anticipation as the IF-9 took to the skies for the first time. The launch event, held at a state-of-the-art aviation facility, was attended by dignitaries, industry leaders, and members of the international press, eager to witness this historic moment. As the IF-9 lifted off gracefully, the atmosphere crackled with excitement and a sense of awe. The vehicle performed flawlessly, showcasing its maneuverability and stable flight capabilities. The successful launch marked a pivotal moment in Russia's foray into the flying car market, signaling its ambition to become a global leader in this emerging industry. The event garnered widespread media coverage, generating excitement and anticipation for the future of flying cars. The IF-9's successful debut captured the imagination of people worldwide, fueling dreams of a future where personal aerial transportation is within reach. Section 5. Reshaping Transportation, the Promise of Flying Cars. Flying cars hold the promise of revolutionizing transportation, offering a solution to traffic congestion, lengthy commutes, and the limitations of traditional road infrastructure. These vehicles are not just a dream of science fiction but are becoming a tangible reality, with prototypes already being tested in various parts of the world. Imagine a world where you can bypass rush-hour traffic by simply taking to the skies, reducing travel time and increasing productivity. No longer would you be confined to the gridlock of city streets. Instead, you could soar above it all, reaching your destination in a fraction of the time. The IF-9 embodies this vision, offering a glimpse into a future where commuting is no longer a stressful chore but a quick and enjoyable experience. This innovative vehicle combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, making it not only functional but also a joy to use. Its ability to seamlessly transition from road to air opens up a world of possibilities, allowing for greater flexibility and efficiency in our daily lives. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or embarking on a weekend getaway, the IF-9 adapts to your needs. Beyond personal transportation, flying cars have the potential to revolutionize various industries, from emergency response and logistics to tourism and urban planning. Imagine emergency responders reaching accident sites in record time, or tourists enjoying aerial views of scenic landscapes. The IF-9, with its versatility and advanced capabilities, is poised to play a key role in shaping this exciting future. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, flying cars like the IF-9 will undoubtedly become an integral part of our transportation ecosystem. The IF-9's launch has sent ripples through the global automotive and aviation industries, sparking a wave of innovation and investment in flying car technology. This groundbreaking vehicle has captured the imagination of engineers, investors, and futurists alike. As other countries recognize the transformative potential of this technology, they are beginning to invest heavily in research and development. We can expect to see a rapid acceleration in the development and adoption of flying cars worldwide. Cities are already planning for a future where these vehicles are a common sight in the skies. Imagine a future where international travel involves a seamless transition from road to air, making long-distance journeys faster and more efficient. Bypassing the need for airports and lengthy security lines, flying cars could revolutionize the way we think about travel. The IF-9 paves the way for a future where borders are less of a barrier, enabling a new era of global mobility. Global connectivity is enhanced through personal aerial transportation, making it easier to connect with people and places around the world. The IF-9's impact extends beyond transportation, offering potential solutions to challenges in urban planning, disaster relief, and environmental sustainability. With the ability to quickly reach disaster zones and reduce traffic congestion, flying cars could play a crucial role in emergency response and environmental conservation. As this technology matures and becomes more accessible, it will likely transform industries and daily routines alike. We can expect to see its influence permeate various aspects of our lives, from how we commute to how we respond to emergencies, heralding a new era of innovation and convenience. While the future of flying cars is promising, there are challenges to overcome before they become commonplace in our skies. Regulatory frameworks need to be established to ensure the safe integration of flying cars into existing airspace. Air traffic control systems will need to adapt to accommodate the increased volume of aerial vehicles. The development of robust infrastructure, including charging stations and designated landing zones, is crucial for the widespread adoption of flying cars. Public acceptance and addressing concerns regarding safety, noise pollution, and affordability will be paramount in realizing the full potential of this transformative technology. Despite these challenges, the opportunities presented by flying cars far outweigh the obstacles. As technology continues to advance and costs decrease, we can expect to see flying cars become an increasingly viable and accessible mode of transportation in the near future. The IF-9 represents a significant leap forward in transportation technology, embodying human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. It serves as a symbol of progress, demonstrating our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges and turn science fiction into reality. The development and launch of the IF-9 have ignited a sense of excitement and optimism about the future of transportation. It has sparked a global conversation about the possibilities of flying cars and their potential to reshape our world for the better. As we embrace this new era of transportation, it is essential to approach it with a focus on safety, sustainability, and accessibility, ensuring that the benefits of flying cars are enjoyed by all. The IF-9 serves as a reminder that the future is not something to be predicted, but something to be created. The IF-9's arrival marks the dawn of a new era in transportation, one where the skies are no longer the limit. As flying car technology continues to advance and mature, we can expect to see a paradigm shift in how we commute, travel, and interact with our cities and the world around us. The IF-9 is more than just a flying car. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering determination to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of personal aerial transportation, the IF-9 serves as a beacon of progress, guiding us towards a future where the freedom of flight is within everyone's reach.